Maying hapon o happy Sabat dalagon ang Diyos. So karon na celebrate ni sa mga nga GYD. So nadriya si Pastor Jimwell Berba, mga church pastor sa South Central. So may masulti sa to ang kuan karon na to ang Lugaw Ministry o para to sa IPART.
Nindot kayo kay na-gift giving nga na po feeding program. And at the same time, atong gisaulog ang Global Youth Day sa tibuok kalibutan o ang taga-tagong South Central SD Church nga mga batan-on nga mga membro nagdasig pagmayo alang ni ining buluhaton sa mga batan-on o dasig o daghang na panalanginan, daghang na ampuan uban sa tabang sa Ginoo. Back to you, man.
Yes, ayo ang giingon ni Pastor Berba dili magpaulahi ato ang Sipong Youth Director Pastor Seda. Sa man imong masulti sa tong GYD sa South Central.
Istorya din ang grabe ninyo kadasig, no? Padayon lang kay mo ni gikinahanglan sa Ginoo ang mga batanon will be engaged in community service. So today I have seen how young people are doing, and indeed in the way I look at it, you are really a sermon. There be the sermon by you are the sermon. So my challenge to all that next time around, make it more special, meaningful, a lot of highlights to do, and make it whole day program. So if you are going to do it in the morning, do it, because we are excused for Sabbath worship based on the idea of GLD. So pwede ta buntag, let's go to the community, but we have to plan for that. It's 1 year planning, and then there should be continuity of what you're doing in the community, of course. So next time you target a community, and then basically that's your parang murag inyo ng suki ng community, no, to serve, and then you create interest among the people. Next time if you do evangelism, you just go there. For instance, BUY or FCAMP, you can even invite them because you already established a relationship. That's the way how to do it. God bless you. More power to the youth ministry of South Central.
Yay! Amen! Thank you.
So dasig jud kaya ang Sipong Youth Director sa ang mga youth. Daghan kayo sila. So, bye-bye. Thank you and God bless. See you in my next vlog.